Motivational pages are exploding right now. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to make your first clean motivational short using CapCut. The same style I use on Shadow Rise. First, you need a clip. You can use the website I linked in the description, or you can grab a motivational speech from YouTube and trim it down to about 8 to 12 seconds. Just choose something clear and easy to follow. Next, you need audio. Open Instagram Reels, go to Trending Sounds, and save a few motivational ones. A great option you can use is the Me and the Devil audio. It fits perfectly with this style of editing. Now open CapCut, start a new project, add your clip, and then add your audio underneath. Line them up so the video and the sound feel synced. Keep everything simple. Clean pacing is what. Before we start editing anything, set your project to the right aspect ratio. Go to Format and choose 9:16. This is the vertical size that YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels push the most. If you don't use 9:16, your video won't perform. Now let's create that clean motivational layout you see on big pages. Tap on your clip. Go to Mask. Choose Rectangle, resize it so it forms a nice centered box around your subject. Feather it a little so the edges look smooth. Around 10 to 20 works well. Now add your captions. Use bold white text with a black outline. Keep each line short. Make sure the text is centered and easy to read. If it's touching the edges, just shrink it a bit. The goal is clean and readable. If you want my full caption templates, the viral audio list I update weekly, my hook scripts, and one-on-one help where I review your edits and fix them with you. That's all inside my Shadow Rise mentorship. If you want to grow faster with guidance, the link is in the description. After captions, just adjust your audio levels so the speech is loud enough and the background sound isn't overpowering. Make sure your clip is bright enough and clear. No effects needed. Keep everything simple. And that's it. This is the basic beginner setup. If you follow this, you can make clean, cinematic, motivational shorts without overthinking anything. If you want the advanced system, custom templates, and personal support from me, the mentorship link is in the description. I'll see you inside.